Hi, welcome to Outgrow, a no-coded tool to acquire qualified leads. In this video, I will show you how to ask only when needed using conditional required fields in Outgrow so every question feels relevant and your completion rates soar. Step 1. Open your Outgrow builder and select your quiz or form. Step 2. Select a quiz template. You can start from scratch by choosing a classic style template for full customization, or click on pre-mades to access ready-made templates designed for quick setup and the best results. Step 3. Click on the question or field you want to make conditional, then go to Apply Logic Jump. Step 4. Set your rule. For example, under If Response To, you can select from questions, outcomes, UTM parameters such as source, medium, campaign, term, and content, user stats such as device type, web browser, and location, lead URL parameters such as email, full name, first name, and last name. Step 5. You can add more conditions as needed or move conditions up and down according to your needs. Step 6. Preview it. Just like that, you're personalizing every user's path without losing essential data. Brands using conditional required fields in Outgrow have seen up to 33% higher completion rates and cleaner CRM data because users only see what matters to them. Ready to make your form smarter? Head to outgrow.co, open your favorite template, and try adding conditional required fields today.